Can I drive on the repaired crack? And how long should we wait before using the surface again? For most urethane-based crack sealants, we should wait at least 24 hours before driving on the repair, but cure varies by product and conditions. So always check the manufacturer specified cure time printed on the cartridge or technical data sheet. Temperature, humidity, and substrate moisture are the main factors that change cure rates. Colder or more humid conditions slow cure and may require waiting a second day or longer. Direct sun and warmer temps speed cure. For small residential cracks on asphalt, light foot traffic after 12 hours is often acceptable for some materials, but vehicle traffic should be delayed until the full tack-free and load-bearing cure is reached. Apply sealant in ambient temperatures inside the recommended range, and avoid applying when rain is forecast within 24 hours to prevent washout or poor adhesion. If you need access sooner, consider using a fast cure product rated for traffic in less than 24 hours, but follow all safety and manufacturer instructions. When planning access, factor in possible rework if you drive on a sealant that feels soft or leaves impressions, because that indicates incomplete cure and you will need to reopen and reseal. 3 common mistakes are driving too soon, failing to check the product cure chart, and ignoring weather effects. Driving too soon embosses the seal and traps debris, which reduces adhesion, so wait the specified cure time and test a small patch by pressing with a non-greasy finger only after the recommended tack-free time. Not checking the product information leads to wrong expectations, so keep the container label or technical data sheet on site and read the cure time for the exact temperature and humidity you have. Ignoring weather means you may get surface skin formation but soft underlayers which fails under load, so avoid sealing when rain or freezing is likely and extend wait times when it is cool or humid. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and shows contractor profiles matched to renovation, repair, and maintenance needs, so we can help plan timing and find professionals who understand cure times. We also host a discussion community where we share real-world experiences and timing tips so our members can learn from others and contractors can find work through those conversations.